He packs his backpack with stones, adding about 10 kilograms of weight, and then goes outside to face the strong winds caused by the cold air vortex. As you can see, he weighs only about 50 kilograms. Officials have warned that people who are underweight are easily blown over. Wind speeds can reach 150 kilometers per hour. Traffic is stalled, public places are closed, and millions of people are urged to stay indoors because sandstorms and sudden temperature drops are sweeping through the region. Therefore, every time he has to go out, he carries a weighted backpack to help himself resist the force of the wind and stay standing.